Everyone says a used Lexus is the safest luxury car you can buy. And for the most part, they're right. Lexus has topped reliability rankings for over a decade. But believe it or not every Lexus is created equal. Some model years will run past 250,000 miles with almost nothing but oil changes. Others look just as good on the lot, but quietly drain your wallet as the miles climb, melting dashboards, oil-burning engines, and repair bills that can cost you thousands. Everything here is based on data from Consumer Reports, J.D. Power, the IIHS, and verified owner-reported repair trends. In this video, we'll break down the best Lexus models to buy used and the exact years to avoid, so you don't make a $30,000 mistake. Let's get started. Coming in at number 1, the Lexus ES 350. Arguably the most reliable luxury sedan you can buy used, period. Built on the same proven platform as the Toyota Avalon and Camry, the ES 350 uses Toyota's legendary 2GR FE 3.5-liter V6, an engine widely regarded as one of the most bulletproof power plants ever produced. It makes a smooth 268 to 302 horsepower, depending on the generation, paired with a refined automatic transmission that rarely gives owners trouble. According to Consumer Reports, the ES consistently earns reliability scores in the top tier of all luxury vehicles, and J.D. Power data shows owners regularly report 200,000 to 300,000 miles with only routine maintenance. Best years to buy? The 2013 through 2018 models, part of the 6th generation. These years combine a modern interior, strong safety scores, and the most refined version of that V6 without the early generation quirks. Prices typically run between $16,000 and $24,000, depending on mileage and trim. The year to avoid? The 2007 ES 350. This first year of its generation is infamous for excessive oil consumption and dashboard material that becomes sticky and melts in hot climates, a problem Lexus quietly extended warranties to cover, but one that still plagues these cars today. If you're shopping used, skip 2007 and target 2010 or later, when the engine's oil-burning issue was largely resolved. At number 2, the Lexus RX 350, the best-selling Lexus of all time, and for good reason. With high reliability ratings and a comfortable, refined interior, the RX 350 remains the default choice for buyers who want a dependable luxury SUV. It shares that same 2GR V6 family as the ES, which means strong, long-term durability and a healthy parts supply. But the RX is the perfect example of why year matters more than model. According to multiple sources and owner-reported data, a clear hierarchy appears across generations. Best years to buy: the 2016 through 2019 models from the 4th generation. These years offer the strongest blend of modern safety tech, including standard Lexus Safety System Plus, refined ride quality, and proven reliability. Expect to pay between $24,000 and $34,000. If your budget is tighter, the 2013 and 2014 model years from the previous generation are also widely considered among the most reliable RX years, often available between $15,000 and $20,000. The years to avoid: the 2007 RX 350, the first year of its redesign, which shared the same dashboard melting and oil consumption issues as the early ES. And approach the 2016 model, the first year of the 4th generation, with extra caution, as first-year redesigns often carry early electronics and infotainment bugs that were ironed out by 2017. Coming in at number 3, the Lexus GX 460, and this one is for buyers who want a luxury SUV that's genuinely built to last decades. Unlike the car-based RX, the GX 460 uses a rugged body-on-frame design, sharing its bones with the legendary Toyota Land Cruiser Prado and 4Runner. It's powered by a 4.6-liter V8 making 301 horsepower, an engine known for going 300,000 miles and beyond with proper maintenance. According to long-term ownership data, the GX 460 holds its value better than almost any luxury SUV on the market, a direct reflection of how much buyers trust it. Best years to buy, 2014 and newer. A 2014 refresh brought updated styling, better infotainment, and standard safety upgrades. The 2016 through 2019 models are the sweet spot for used buyers, typically ranging from $30,000 to $42,000. The year to approach carefully is the 2010 GX 460, the first year of this generation. It was the subject of a well-known Consumer Reports "Don't Buy" safety risk warning over a rollover stability concern during emergency handling. Lexus issued a software fix and recall that fully resolved the issue, but if you're buying a 2010, you must confirm that recall work was completed before you sign anything. At number 4, the Lexus IS 350. The model for buyers who want reliability without giving up the joy of driving. While most Lexus models prioritize comfort, the IS 350 delivers genuine rear-wheel drive sports sedan handling, powered by that same proven 3.5-liter V6, making 306 horsepower through an 8-speed automatic that ensures smooth, responsive gear shifts. According to Consumer Reports, the IS line earns reliability ratings that embarrass its German rivals, the BMW 3 Series and Mercedes C-Class, while costing a fraction to maintain. Best years to buy? The 2014 through 2016 models from the third generation. These deliver the strongest reliability and the most engaging drive, typically priced between $18,000 and $26,000. One note of caution, be wary of the 2014 IS 250 with the smaller 2.5-liter V6. While reliable, it's widely considered underpowered, and many owners report disappointment with both acceleration and fuel economy. For the best ownership experience, target the 350 over the 250 whenever your budget allows. Coming in at number 5, the Lexus LS 460. And this is the one that delivers the most luxury per dollar of any car on this list. When new, the LS 460 was Lexus's flagship sedan, competing directly with the Mercedes S-Class and BMW 7 Series at a price north of $70,000. Today, you can buy a clean, well-maintained example for a fraction of that, often between $18,000 and $28,000. Under the hood is a 4.6-liter V8, producing up to 386 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic. It's serene, powerful, and remarkably durable for a full-size luxury sedan. Best years to buy? The 2010 through 2012 models. A mid-cycle refresh in 2010 modernized the styling and technology while retaining the proven mechanical package. These years represent the pinnacle of the brand's commitment to durability, serenity, and value. The catch you must understand, while the LS 460 is reliable, it is still a complex flagship. Components like the air suspension and advanced electronics can be expensive to repair out of warranty, a job that frequently costs over $1,500 at a dealership. The car itself is dependable, but you must budget for the fact that everything on a flagship costs more. Buy one with complete service records, and it can be one of the best luxury values on the road. We've covered the best. Now, the warnings, because the badge alone will not protect you. The pattern is clear. With Lexus, your biggest risk isn't the brand, it's buying the wrong year of the right car. A 2007 RX and a 2018 RX wear the same badge, but they are not the same purchase. Which Lexus do you own, and how has it held up for you? Your experience might help another buyer make the right choice.